Hello students, in this video we are going to learn a poem, March. This poem was written by William Wordsworth. You would have heard this poet. He was a nature-loving poet. He wrote so many poems praising the beauty of nature. Okay, he loved the life in the countryside. So he wrote so many poems telling detailedly about the countryside. So in this poem, he have said about the March. March, it's a month. It's a commencement of the spring season. Okay, winter will be over by March and the spring season will start. So he have written the beauty of nature, how it transforms from winter to spring. Let us learn in this poem. Okay. Our first stanza. The cock is crowing, the stream is flowing, the small birds twitter, the lake doth glitter, the green field sleeps in the sun. Okay, the cock is crowing. The cock is crowing means the cock will be giving a sound in the morning. The rise of the new day will start with the sound of the cock. And the stream is flowing. The snow, everything is melted and the stream have started flowing. The small birds twitter. The small birds will make a sound, right? It will make a chirping sound. That is called twitter. The lake doth glitter. Here the word doth, it's a olden days word meaning do or does. Okay, it's not at all used in nowadays in the current day English. It's a olden day English, do or does. Okay, so the lake is glittering like a diamond. Okay, it's glittering. Which will glitter? The diamonds will glitter, no, by the light. Likewise, by the sun, the lake is glittering. The green fields sleep in the sun. Okay, the snow and everything is melted and the green fields are seen now. So it looks like it sleeps in the sun. Next stanza. The oldest and the youngest are at work with the strongest. The cattle are grazing, their heads never rising. There are 40 feeding like one. Okay. So the old people, young people, everybody have started going to the work. Work means the farm work. Those days they used to do agriculture, taking care of cattle, everything they will do, no? So they started to go for the work. That time the cattle are grazing. Cattle will be grazing in the field, no, grasslands. So the cattle are grazing. Their heads never rising. So they never take up their head. They will be keep on grazing in the grass. There are 40 feeding like one. There are 40 cattle. Okay, cows are there. But they all looks like single, one. Okay, all looks like same. Next stanza. Like an army defeated, the snow hath retreated, and now doth fare ill. On the top of the bare hill, the ploughboy is whooping anon anon. Here, like an army defeated, the snow hath retreated. The poet has used simile. Okay, what he is comparing? He is comparing the snow with the defeated army. What the defeated army will do after losing the battle, they will move back. Okay, after losing the battle, they will go back. Likewise, the snow have withdrawn from the grassland. It is lost in the battle. So it is moving back. That is called retreated. Moving back. Okay. And now doth fare ill on the top of bare hill. So doth, again he used the word doth, means does. Okay. Fare ill means not successful. The snow is not successful. So that's why it went out on the top of the bare hill. So the hill, after the winter, the hill will be bare. No vegetation, no flowers, nothing. The hill is bare. Bare means empty. Okay. The ploughboy is whooping anon anon. So the ploughboy means the boy who helps in the field, for plowing the field. He is joyfully jumping quickly. Okay, he is jumping with joy. The small boy, after seeing the spring season, he is jumping with joy. Next stanza. There is joy in the mountains. There is life in the fountains. Small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. The rain is over and gone. Okay, so there's joy in the mountains. There is life in the fountains. So the mountains, it looks fresh now. After the winter, the snow, everything have gone. The new vegetation, new plants and flowers will grow. And the fountains means the small streams that will come. Okay, the natural water that comes out. Okay, that's called fountain. So there is going to be life with that fountain. Then small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. So the clouds, so long time it was the clouds looks very dark, but now the small clouds are sailing, it's moving, and the blue sky have taken control of the sky. Okay, that's why prevailing. Okay, the blue sky took over the control. Then the rain is over and gone. Okay, no more rain, and it's full of spring season now. Okay, there ends the poem. I want you to read the poem. You learn the new words. That's all for this video. Thank you, children.